So today we're gonna try our very first 3D glass project, and we're making this geometric glass terrarium. So if you're new to this and you haven't done any glass work before, don't worry, it's not too late to get started. I've got this beginner's tools video for you. Some of you already know that, but I'll leave that as the first link down below. Take a look at it and you'll know exactly what you need to get started with. And if you're ready, let's grab our tools and let's get to it. What the? Okay, before we begin, I should mention that wearing latex gloves may potentially be a hazard. So the hot solder could melt the gloves and then burn your skin. Now I'm choosing to wear these and work with the gloves. So it's up to you if you decide to use it or not. This is not necessary. The hardest part right now is to figure out how to hold these pieces up so we can solder them in this 3D form. My first idea is to use a right angle. Let's tack this up to hold it together. Okay, let's get some flux on there. So I missed that one completely. Everything has to line up so perfectly. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. Let's close that up. Oh. It looks pretty uniform. It's not super perfect, but I think this will do, so let's keep moving. I'm just checking my square to make sure that nothing is skewed. So I'm moving pretty fast on this. I don't want to take a chance to break the glass, as this glass is very, very fragile and thin. So I can feel the glass is heating up pretty good. We can let it cool a bit and not risk breaking the glass. It should look like this when it's done. Oh, I can't wait. Let's test it out. We still looks good. Oh. So the outside is starting to look pretty good. I just kept adding more solder to it. I'm still gonna touch up on this a little bit more. Okay, we're calling this done. Well, I forgot, we have to solder this jump ring onto it. Alright, let's clean it up with some CJ's Flux Remover. This is my favorite cleaner to remove all the flux. So we're just gonna add a few dabs of it, and I'm gonna use an old toothbrush to clean. So it foams up really nice and you can feel the flux just being removed from the glass. And you want to just scrub all the flux off of the glass and the solder. Okay, I'm going to go rinse this off in some water. You guys want to see something cool? It holds water. Just to be sure, I'm going to use some quick clean to spray the glass down once more, so that will prep us for the patina stage. We're going to use black patina to turn the silver solder color to black. Well, I don't think it's going to get any darker than this. Let's rinse this off. And let's wax this up. So I forgot to mention at the beginning that the glass that I used for this project was from an old picture frame that one of my neighbors had thrown out. So I was able to salvage it and use it for this project. So you could do the same thing and grab any old picture frame that you have. I'd say an 8x10 could work, or even a 5x7, since this project only used just a little bit of glass. So if you want to see more projects like this, check out my other videos and give me a thumbs up if you like this, and I'll see you in the next one.